Do you like cases? I love cases. And I got several cases for my iPhone 17 Pro. I got a couple of clear cases by ESR. This one, one of these has the camera guard with the little, that doubles as like a stand. This was $26. This is just a plain hybrid magnetic case. This is cheaper. I think this is $8, maybe 10. Let's see what else I got. I have two cases by Spigen. I got the Ultra Hybrid and I got the Enzo Aramid. I don't like this case. Both of these are MagFit or have MagSafe. Don't like this one. This one's okay. And then I got one from Smartish. It's the let me see if I can get it. This one I actually like. I like this one. It also has MagSafe. This is the Grip Monk. Really good texture on the sides there. I'll be talking about that. Got it in blacks, the black tire fair. Really good. This is like, I wouldn't say a poor man's mouse case, but it's definitely a poor man's D-brand grip. This is actually a good case. And lastly, I have the Rinky. This is the Rinky Fusion X. This also has MagSafe. But this video isn't about any of those cases. This is about the Benks Armor case. And this has Aramid 2, Aramid fiber. And this is made exclusively for the iPhone 17 Pro because the 17 Pro is like 6.3 inches this way, diagonal. You see my finger moving back and forth. And the Pro Max is, what is it, 6.9, and the Air is, I think it's 6 something, and then you got the regular 17, I think that's 6.1. Anywho, let's open this bad boy up. I think it opens at the bottom here, I think. Like I said, I'm not really going to edit these videos down that much. I haven't posted in a while. Wait, no. I think this is the sleeve. I'm pulling on it, ain't? Oh, we got some technical difficulties. Oh, man, I missed this. Okay, I got it. Jesus Christ. Okay, I just had to pull it a little more. What in the hell? I don't see any tape on the side. Whatever. Okay. Oh, here's a case. This is similar to the Pataka. This is actually a lot cheaper than the Pataka as well. What does this little tab say? Something in Chinese that I can't read. Item can only be returned. Oh, so if this tag is not on this case, it cannot be returned. I think I'm going to keep this. I think I'm going to keep it. It's looks just like the Pataka. It's very thin and the thin-borne Aramid fiber. It feels like it. I did have something similar for my 13 Pro. Is there any type of instructions, or like should I put it, like how I should put it in? This is just a cutout. This is like some type of foam to show you the case. Okay, I don't need that. Yeah, get rid of that. I'm just gonna put it on here regular. Let's see. I'm gonna start at the bottom and work my way up. Ooh, that clicks on nicely. Ooh, wee. Damn, that looks good. Look at that. Look. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay, so you got some cutouts for the sleep wake button, the camera control. It turned over on the bottom. You got precise cutouts for the speakers and the USB Type-C port. I cannot believe I have an iPhone with USB Type-C. Turn it over on the side. You got cutouts for the action button and the volume buttons. Turn it over on the back. And you got the camera guard here. This is for protecting the plateau. So it's a gated plateau now. It's no longer open. It's no longer free. It's gated now. It's protected. And you see right there, designed by Benks. Beautiful. I like it. It's got, it definitely has that aramid fiber feel. If I was blind, I could probably tell, oh, this is a unique design. I can feel it. That's very premium. And so thin. Jesus. But it's elegant looking. It's grown. It's sexy. And I think if there's any case that I would get for my 17 Pro, since I got the blue one instead of the orange or the silver, I would get black. Black and blue goes good together. Or I can get a clear case. Yeah, this is okay. So because it's got the gated plateau now, it's not going to rock on the table because that plateau is from edge to edge. That's from side to side. Only going to rock if you... Nope, not even if I press it. Okay, I'm trying to do a wheelie on here, do a flip. I can't. Yeah, there's no rockets. Let me put it on the side there, on the front. Yeah, that looks nice, man. That looks... This is an elegant case. Yeah, I got to rock this. I got to rock this for the rest of the week. This is beautiful. I might go ahead and return this one case from ESR. Yeah, ESR got you covered. But yeah, this is Benks. What is this called again? This the armor case? The Benks Armor for the 17 Pro iPhone. Yeah, less than $50. Don't remember how much it costs. I will leave a link down in the description below. But yeah, this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful case. Very sleek. Very chic. Very minimalist. I like it. What's that about Duke? Jason Tatum? Oh, okay. All right. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing because the Case Chronicles continues. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next video. Let me go ahead and take this sticker off because I don't even need this. I'm keeping this. I'm not returning it. Why would I return it? Why would I return it? There you go. Mine. See ya.